Hello viewers, welcome back once again to my channel. Today I'll be talking about one of the best Neroli fragrances in the market, that is called Van Cleef & Arpels Neroli Amara. And trust me, I think this is the best Neroli fragrances in the market with a very good performance. So let's check it out. I tried a lot of Neroli fragrances earlier, like Ferrari's Bright Neroli to Tom Ford's Portofino, but I didn't like it because the Neroli note was not my cup of tea. Let me tell you a short story. I was trying to find a perfume in a particular shop where 50% sale was going on. Then I tried Neroli Amara there, and with the first opening, it was like wow, like it's not Neroli. It's not only Neroli, it's with lemon, it's with orange, it's with some other florals. Like this is the one I was looking for. It is not at all similar to other Neroli fragrances in the market. It is well blended with citrus, like mandarin orange, like lemon, and also other some white florals. Let me just spray it one more. Like wow, like it's the fresh lemony citrus with Neroli. Like it's wow, like guys, I really liked this fragrance when I tried it more. When I bought it, it was around $50 to $60, and then I tried a couple of times. Every time I wear it, I feel like wow, my clothes smells great. Like wow, like when I put my clothes in the closet, and then after a day when I opened my closet, it was like oh my god, I'm in a luxury hotel ballroom or like in the reception, that smell is coming up from my clothes. It smells that expensive. It's true, and also like I cannot explain. It's alluring, it's refreshing, it's definitely refreshing, and the scent bubble keeps you around. Like people will definitely notice like he is someone who is expensive. He wears something. He bought this shirt right from the Prada, or he bought this shirt right from the Versace, because you smell that great. You smell really nice. It is one of that freshy. But one disappointment is that it actually doesn't work in the winter. Of course, it's not supposed to be. But believe me, in the summertime or even in the fall, it projects well, it performs well, it carries a good scent bubble. It doesn't have that much of transitions, because it starts and it ends, but it doesn't change. The same thing you got in the beginning and the end, it's the same. So I would say it's a niche perfume, no doubt on that. No doubt on that. It's a niche perfume. It has that quality inside, and also it is the best Neroli fragrances in the market. So my suggestion is to the people who loves Neroli, definitely you should buy it. Definitely, you will not get disappointed. But I was not a fan of Neroli, but now I'm really a big fan of this Neroli Amara. It is one of the best scent I have ever smelled for the summer. I know it's kind of expensive, so I would suggest you to buy it if you find in the discounters, but you should definitely try it, or try a decant, and then you see how it grows on you. And I also checked the Fragrantica. I saw so many people are praising this one. Even I saw that people are saying that it is a shame to Tom Ford, because even it is 100% better than Tom Ford Portofino. So guys, anyways, lots of talk about this one. The main thing is that it is a very good perfume. The scent character is wow. It doesn't change. It is the beginning and the end. It is the same, and also it performs well in the summer. It really like around 8 to 10 hours of longevity, and very good shears, 2 to 3 hours, no problem on that. It keeps on your clothes for hours or days, no problem. And the price is a bit in the expensive side, but I hope you can find it in a discounter very soon. It actually works in every occasion, no problem in the summertime. You can go with the dates, you can go in the parties, no problem. In the summer, it works just perfect. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao. Allah Hafiz.